Hi, this is Bruce Parker from RE/MAX Best, and I would like to invite you to come and see my listing at 58 Oakland Road in Old Bridge, New Jersey. I entitled this presentation, Escape from New York. Every real estate agent in New York seems to have a buyer that's heading to New Jersey. Well, here is exactly the place to come. This is 58 Oakland Road in Old Bridge, 08857. It is a fantastic 3,348 square foot colonial. This fine home sits on a large corner lot. Easy access to New York City commuting, park and ride right around the corner. Here's your escape from New York. As you enter this home, you will feel the extra volume of a 2-story entry foyer. Walk past the custom coat closet with shelves tucked inside for shoes. This makes it easy to keep the beautiful carpet pristine. As you enter, you will pass a den and a full bath. The full bath has accoutrements that display luxury. Just past the bath is a room that could be the 5th bedroom. Plenty of light in this room and a full closet. Turn the corner and behold your 2-story great room with fireplace. The kitchen is just beyond, and on the way, you will pass a butler's pantry that guides you to the dining room. Behind the kitchen is an extra room that has the space for your washer and dryer and a built-in sub-zero refrigerator. Travel upstairs and you will find 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Each bath outdoes the other with amenities. The master bath is exquisite. The price on this fine home is $650,000. It is located on a corner lot, has a large backyard big enough to add a pool if you so desire, 2-car garage, and a full unfinished basement that is very high. If you're interested, call me. I'm Bruce Parker from RE/MAX Best, 908-202-5738. I pay referrals for buyers, so if you don't feel like crossing the Outer Bridge crossing, just send your buyers to me, and I'll be happy to pay you a referral. I'm Bruce Parker. I'm the broker at RE/MAX Best, 908-202-5738. My email is jerseybest@msn.com. And I am having an open house Sunday, August 30th, from 1 to 3. By the way, do you want a New Jersey real estate license? Well, I have a real estate school. The name of the school is the Best School of Real Estate. You can call 732-266-3366 to set a reservation and save your space. We do this class by live Zoom. That means you can stay home in your pajamas and get a real estate license. If you check with the New Jersey Real Estate Commission, you might be eligible to just take a 15-hour course that goes over the New Jersey laws that are particular to New Jersey. Again, you would need to check with the New Jersey Real Estate Commission to see if you qualify for that special 15-hour update. Again, up top is the link to our school. Just click on it and it'll bring you right to the school. For some reason it doesn't work, copy and paste the bottom and put it onto your browser and you'll see the information about the school. I'm Bruce Parker and I'm the director of the school. We would love to have you. And just remember, your career deserves the best. Your buyers deserve the best. And I always tell my clients, your home deserves the best. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very, very much.